This hurricane has been incredibly amazing. The wind gusts here are amazing. I'm over here just right outside, not where the winds are, but just in this hallway that I've been talking about all night. And the wind gusts have been just amazing. We've lost electricity a couple of times. It's flashed on and off, and right now it turned back on, but we don't know how much longer we're gonna have it. But this Hurricane Milton has been, look at this wind. The eye it went up into south of Sarasota, between us and Sarasota, but the wind gusts are just huge. Look at this. And I'm staying away from outside this storm because it's just so much wind. It's amazing. I hope you guys can see some of this because this is just crazy. Feels weird, Tony.